What is going on, beautiful people? It is your girl Marquita. I'm with Team TRM coming at you with another stable swap video. Today we're going to look at how to complete a withdrawal from your stable swap account. As you can see, I'm on what I call the central hub, which is the default page that you land on once you log into your stable swap account. As you can see, I have some balance here in my USDT and I have some balance here in my USDC. Now, by default, again, when you log in, you're automatically going to be on the withdrawal tab of your stable swap account. If you notice here, the minimum withdrawal is $50 and the max that you can withdraw at one time is $10,000. Now you can complete several withdrawals if you'd like. Now what I'm going to do is withdraw some of the USDT balance that I have here. I do want to make a quick note before we go through the process that whatever coin type you decide to deposit is the coin type that you are able to withdraw, and that also goes for the chain. So if you can remember here, when we're depositing, we can accept USDT on 3 different chains, which is the Tron chain, Ethereum chain, and Binance Smart Chain. So if you deposit it in stable swap using the Tron chain, that is what you will withdraw in. The same thing goes for Ethereum, same thing goes for Binance, and the same thing also goes for the USDC coin. Either the Ethereum or the Binance Smart Chain are your withdrawal options. However, if you deposit using the Ethereum chain, for instance, you will not be able to withdraw using the Binance Smart Chain, so keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and enter or begin the process to withdraw. As you can see, we have $50 as a minimum here, so that automatically excludes my USDC balance. I will not be able to withdraw that until it reaches the minimum threshold of $50. The next thing we want to do is to grab our USDT receiver address. Now again, ensure that you are grabbing the proper address for the proper network. I'm going to use my MetaMask wallet here, but you can use any wallet. You can use Trust Wallet, Exodus Wallet, your Coinbase account. It doesn't really matter. The only thing you want to pay attention is that you're grabbing the proper address for the proper coin type. So as you can see, I'm on the BSC or Binance Smart Chain mainnet, but if you needed to, you can go to the Ethereum mainnet, etc. And it works pretty similarly within all of the wallets that we have here that are Web3. So what I'm going to do, you could see right now in Tether USD, I don't have much of anything. I'm going to grab my address here. You see that it says copy to clipboard. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to actually paste the address there, and you can always verify that the address is proper. So we have OX3 3041, and if I go back to my wallet here, you will see that this matches. And that way you know that you're actually taking the proper address and it's been pasted correctly. Now, if you need further help on how to use MetaMask, for instance, I'll include a link in the cards right now. That way you can watch a full tutorial, but again, any wallet will work. So the next thing we want to do is enter the amount that we'd like to withdraw. So in this example, I'm just going to withdraw $100 worth of USDT and I'm going to hit submit. Now, here's where it tells me to select the chain that I'm looking to have this deposited. Now, remember, we went ahead and selected Binance Smart Chain. This is something that I use to deposit as well. So I'm going to hit Binance Smart Chain, and then it's going to tell us exactly the information that we need. So you can see this is a withdrawal in USDT for $100. The fee for the Binance Smart Chain and the Tron chain is $2. If you're doing the Ethereum chain, because Ethereum is super expensive, you're going to look at a $10 fee, so keep that in mind. And it says note all withdrawals are verified manually and will be processed in 4 to 6 hours. So don't expect to see your withdrawals right away. Sometimes the team is in the Philippines, so if they're sleeping, it may take some time. But if you're okay with everything, the next thing you're going to do is hit confirm. Now it's going to tell me to verify the information here. So they sent a OTP, which stands for one-time passcode, to my email address, and I also have to verify that as well with my two-factor authentication, just to make sure that things are doing or being submitted properly. So let's go ahead and do that, and then let's pull up our code here. I'll wait for the new one. Now you actually do get quite a bit of time to verify, so there's no actual rush here, but I will paste that in and then we will hit confirm. And as you can see, your withdrawal request has been processed. So the only thing left to do is to wait for that withdrawal to actually hit our account, and then you're good to go. If you wanted to go ahead and compound, you can do that as well. You want to make further deposits, you can do that as well. But I wanted to share a quick video with you to show you how easy and how simple it is to go ahead and submit a withdrawal. Hopefully this was valuable for you. If not, please let me know what I can do to clarify. If you did find value, go ahead and like the video, leave me a comment, let me know what other tutorials you'll like to see on Stable Swap. But again, this is Marquita. I'm with Team TRM, and as I always say, I'll see you at the top or not. You decide. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.